Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Coin Master on PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. This allows you to access and run Android applications, including your favorite games, directly from your desktop. Many excellent options are available, providing a seamless gaming experience with larger screens and improved controls. Once you have chosen an emulator, visit its official website to download the installation file. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to protect your computer. The installation process is typically straightforward, guiding you through a few simple steps. After installation, launch the emulator to prepare for the next stage of setting up your game. With your emulator running, the next step is to sign in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Play Store. Navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator, just as you would on a mobile device. Search for Coin Master and proceed with the installation. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Now you are ready to launch Coin Master from your emulator's home screen. For the best experience, consider connecting your game to Facebook. This saves your progress and allows you to play with friends. You can also fine-tune your emulator's settings, such as resolution and frame rate, to achieve optimal performance and enjoy the game on a larger display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.